Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. So it's been a little bit since I posted, my bad. My GoPro Hero 8 broke per usual, so we got a new one on the way. Should be here this week, but that's why there haven't been any moto vlogs. But figure I'd give you a quick channel update. We've got the Razor MX500 build up and coming. We should have some of the parts for the upgrade kit coming this week, but we're also still waiting on like the full battery, motor, controller kit from Electro & Co. But in the meantime, done some upgrades already. Just put on some ProTaper XR50 SE bars. We put on this little Amazon headlight. So she's already looking pretty cool, looking pretty good. But I've just been messing around on this thing. It's got 4 different modes. I've just been messing around on this little Razor, practicing wheelies and whatnot with these super crappy stock cable brakes, but just getting used to where balance point is. So when I do have the kit, I should be able to wheelie this thing like a beast. But with that being said, I'm gonna just quick bring this thing outside, show you guys what I can do on it so far, just to give you like any form of content. So let's do that right now. And do not fret, you all that are here for the CRF 250L. She's still here, we're still loving her, we're still riding her. We just need to get my new GoPro Hero that should be here this week, and we got some motovlogs coming back.
Hold on, man, I got the real shit right here, man. Oh, that's my dick.
All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna show you how the progression's coming along. This happens often with these cable brakes. The rear brake just doesn't bite at all. All right, guys, that's gonna be all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next time you see this thing, it should be completely upgraded. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Peace.